Nerin ga wum wa ko jom dile jek ketuen anti guest of honor Ajakguong in his presence Honorable Mayom Chol Ante Honorable Madi Ngai Chol de Ngalier Ajakguong in his presence chief guest of the day BCY leaders representative the to share maritna Atijal Kalori organize Lija Manyok Nyong Jok Kodir ke Pathuyith elders ke Pathuyith global chairperson Samuel Machara Ayuen global chairperson of Pathuyith community Ajakguong. My leader of the youth Pathuyith Molana Nyanga Tit Ajakguong. Pathuyith leaders youth Rawat Kentong Kagatin Ukoi Japan Young Maler representing Nimuli ko former chairperson holding with the Pathuyith youth Japan Louis Pokin Misudana Ajakguong. Sectional leaders the Pathuyith Padok Jing Liab Arem Agok Ayuen Ajakguong. My counterparts aka sectional leaders of the youth Kona Sene Yono Foraging Molana Akuei Mangara for Arem I myself Bulanyang for Eliab. We go back the sectional leader which Ajakguong. Yen will be Ajakguong. Artit di dia babalwen. Ketuen Alphayo Akuei Bior Anyieth leadership kena gangguan aja. Jangan punya kulit tanya patron of the day. Gue kok yang mau ini patron. Jangan kau harus definition. Gue kaya ni yang mau ini kan patron. Itu yang ada kan patron. Orang patron. Ay, sana. Thank you very much. Very good definition. Honorable Mayom Chol we patron to define.
I came and buy a bike. Em and buy chicken a rate. Chicken buy. Ching a thing. Could the live by a drink? Could live by Bior day. In a tao cái Patron. Chan có liêu niệm gases. Cái liêu niệm anh để cái bài. Anh live nắng cái việc live bên này chen drink của cái chân anh là. Mà này chết rồi mà nó bài bạch em mà nhị chừng bài hoài thì là drink thì.
Thank you very much. Excellent. Mom take it my own children. Exactly. Yen take a queen leadership Agok because and Pathuyith ka go ke ka nen cheng wan ke ga ke kan ke ni 2003 ana lui Anyieth secondary school and we join senior 1 senior 2 ni senior 2 go ma go dom chin kulere ko boko enong ya na go aja teng ding ke mate aja teng ke ben ne na kulele ke ne ma mbia hanbit bayati aja ta belum kan ne men di de so an do body ngi na ta bay kan bo no ngi ale ko ko ke dali yo ale ban to senior 4 in 2005 Agok na kumit ka ko chairman who is outgoing kwandi luet e bu bay dan e very young a kaji tell man ke ne ke lo rot dido but a young man da man on be in a core unfortunately at that time ne ka chen panden very young aka kabera yo walk ko watotok yima jam teng ding nare manyau so to mention but a few I did Akuei need a Patron da during that time Akuei Panchul to long moya they were guided everywhere around all those places on top and everything nale January 2018 the door Achamku reto Maridi anong health institute MRF yena mu goma jam te go lel kulele nyantin kuyon ni tol nyari aka yelele yen hatin ka telom kuy health institute yelu ben developing yelele core scholarship wala ministry of education la kujam one director in the ministry of education go yen scholarship na kere MRF kule Maridi le kunyuja na majam te brother de kujela cham bidora cham kur jel mendat yen manager hakem one of the best midwives that we have in Botown whatever complication it tingliat long issues live monitored from the beginning until with it bukoramelia chibukoramelia ekale buti ageni bukoramelia ukanong te lebeloy ka lebeloy so ekene a contribution kaya reflected in Agok which definition dia chi mayami chul chilwele them na bela gan kara ni chol Alphayo Akuei Anyieth Bior chena walk back generate why friends why brothers why counterparts kukanya ara ndu tende kien ko ja harsh ko ja aggressive na lwe wandu ko lwe rier anong situation chen ke luitin is good but anong one kok chen ke luitin kane chol le molana mayen won ijo war it deal the whole country mene nya yenen actually when they change to call well makrapi or when stop ko kajal rer ko jero yin why did you do you good loy why are you like this ye ko rer ku ye ko loy never a very soft ay well kene ye ka loy ala ko ngak loy kana rut ka darit but magically create banner tinga loy rot ti lo ko ta lo ju ba nu ba lo nga de la loy cái này thiệt chiếu cái thi ôi ko cái rebels cái che dom ko lôi là mà go ting cái dom ấy ti lo ta ko nong ko chol ko lùi le gan ta ting cái nó ai đấy so gan ana ka belo go le la ba wo ka belo thế này bên đúng của cái đại belo của mission này mới là lối successful Alphayo ki wa marwan yen softness. Yen kada luel che ak di luel ma ko lo rat. Can I tell what we are friends for a very long time. Pretty young men. Actually, well, a charge in Agok. Begin a acronym and abbreviation. You look at Chol Naka. Naka. In young Akuei court. I have Bior court. Ayuen Kuol court. Ayuen Kuol. Có một bản thức, có cái design của kịch. Cái Agok cả. Na Agok, you want Agok today. Kulela na want Agok. Cái lúc bắt thi kulela Agok, you know. Có những Agok nhỉ, cái simple formula trên đây cái chuyện nhỉ everybody. So a man who simplifies things like this is a great man. Yen Alphayo kuye randa mun kalo la kapia go ka miss. But no manya yenen achi Agok achi miss. Why? Because of the actual to ken Agok. Ale ti kala pe. Ko kana ko dir kok. Ko teloy. Alphayo ta yen example. Ida man yen nang machakel bichare. Ko ko voice the brace. Wala la yin ni jani chol dictor man. Yana la dictor. Kuchiran chi nong kiche yor ka yon kuler nong dictor. Ale dictor kuler kujian nong. Kujian ker. Kuchlui check amat. Ilo bai go wiping. You know why? Independent nong dictor. You feel a dictor gana. Yana la be like a doctor. Yen cái chol chân long là thuyền, ran chân long là thuyền, ấy yin cái con kìa, nòng nó một bên cái này, ấy yin cái chân long thuyền, so cái này lôi absorb mà, anh nó có đủ nó bà lôi cả bà gia lôi lên cả, bà lôi absorb. Be a doctor, gia lôi cái nào doctor, có cái đó mà này là ấy là anh PhD holder, but never aggressive rate. Buka jalan no nong take. Buka ye ngamika lo nong take ye dictor who is supposed to solve your problems amicably in a very good way. Tinomba. We have a problem we are instigated. Ken kajui du kajui lo no. Then I tell you I can be like a doctor. Incoming leadership. Yen. When given a challenge, the shoes and the standard energy Alphayo set very difficult. And until Pathuyith moved for 6 years, but I don't think I have more than 3 digits dollars in my account. But Alphayo won more than $17,000 to $20,000 in his account. Okay, is a challenge. So my brother Gabriel. You pull up your socks. Shoes in anything, I should reiterate. But he will always be there to advise. From Anyieth Patron, a good. And with Chol Garang Reu, my previous relationship, what I go about, we can give free advices. As long as what will work it. How you will multiply that will be done. Lebih rada loy kulo yung yen loy bayan loy kugunong chine loy pato kupa kada loy. But you know, you do as I say, don't do as I do. Where to? Ekene abatoya. Before Bantuk, come my message to the youth. The key to success is hard work. Hard work. Balu ya red. Ano ko ija ko ano ra ito Dr. Bag Minister of Finance wa re lo ko de ben ku go ba lo la ka ber ben. Ya mele yo musikere de. Go la ka chenin. Doesn't sleep. Cái cỏ cái u lôi cái chuột lôi. Ai chơi cổ ra thì hoàn hảo ở cái tục. À bám mà nó có mía đủ rồi cái ta tiết của cái ta nhắc. Lên coi nhau quay dàn bán để ta nhắc. Cái hát một. So nó đồng đô đấy thì cái chuyện này tôi lấy bro. So hát một cái có a very important way youth. Please don't go to the guy who will call you for Akuei. Even call you for the problems. I told my child literate. We don't bother them. Let's work hard. I know business people don't call loy non cake. When I cannot come in you will get that. You will get there. If you have a choke. Then until you are after 2 weeks not of it. Again I say long to it. But I don't like any run. It's all over. And I think the position is very done. Who is it? I do. A Louis on a layer or 2 layer hotel in a situation. Go in for 6 years. Okay, it's a so you know, come young, but you can't know. Yeah, I go down to it. Now, I never know. Tell one. So, go there. No, can get a guy to be around the corner. Cái gì nó mới thật tuyệt. Với thì cả có cool. Với chả có nói với cho future. Rồi là với cái future generation, với cái future có. Với cái present có. Gọi là age of 18 to 45. Đây là cái prime. Đây là cái useful age. Đây là what you contribute. You work hard. You do a lot of things. So what I present, what I future. For hard work, education is very important. Mà quan trọng. For careers, anh còn phải làm được như be a good banker, a good banker. Như na như bank it. Thế cả lui vô cái lúc mà lui control. That skill has to be there. Đang làm để như thế banker. Pathuyith và có như banker. And I will bank as you remember them. Take a call then. But we didn't know Agok. I know great engineers. Class the many Louis reflect really and no more to be a good engineer in the country. I am a lawyer. But I'm a lawyer. I am accountant. To buy a good certified accountant in countrywide. The careers, the thing in the community. We don't pay then we lawyer and all that. But the real work is there. The real job is there. You need to be leaders of nations, leaders of industries and nations. Leader of industry, and I managing director of a bank. In a leader of a nation. I am the in the leader of an institution, in Musaifa. Who the leader of the nation? All these leaders can institutions can are leaders of the nation. Can are decisions loy. Actually, well, but there are people controlling it. But I say, we can down here. I few remarks. Don't rely. You work hard. Don't sleep. My last remarks. Youth, have respect for your elders. Have respect for whoever to him. Really. I attended a training in South Africa. Come on, Nigeria trainer back in 2019. We done a week. If you need to grow, cái immediate manager and to hilo meeting whether you believe cái ran muktar dun bil la tuen yen kamuke loy respected alors ran che ko yo che la tuen you don't respect your managers the manager tell you jam ngene ko across na lot ngin lo you get very rich na lot ngin you very rich je lu yo Akhir ke waran ban, but do for them that is respected. Actually, they are not run, man, is not good. But you don't know, they just love with you. They can even call Ali Bichon Chai. They can talk, Chang talk. But still, actually, do not doing. Your manager, your elder to him, your one. None of the Kui. Why you get one responsibility? Live alone. The people that you take up with them, can have taken away. So, not only have to come ahead, or on blessing our body, who have a propel, below, or interest double a lawyer. Kill a twin. Respect your elders and respect your managers. And to be Balatun Arret. And a Chol engineer, Jacob Chol Garang, and the current chairperson of Agok Youth Association in Juba.